like, share, and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell.
Well, I'm here to pick up White Ghost. It's the newer plaid, and I'm finna show you on the screen what it cost me to have the dang battery pack replaced. Check out my other previous video to what led up to this, what got me over here. All right, well, it is early morning here. I am actually on my way to give the beautiful X back. It's self-driving me to the service center. My vehicle is ready. They got the battery pack faster than expected, and the conversion, because I think what happened was they had to switch me over from an 85 kilowatt to a 90 kilowatt, so which is a cool thing. But so it is what it is. I didn't want to, I'll show the invoice of what that thing cost me, what it hit me for. Ooh. But I'd rather have a 4-year warranty, 4-year 50,000 mile warranty battery than like a 30, 90 days and so on, what some people was offering, but that's neither here or there. But as you can see though, it's driving me straight to the service center here. I got, just got off, I'm tired. But I'm gonna miss this bad boy. Wish I can buy it right now. That would be nice. You know what I mean? But But yeah, look at that. It's changing the lanes on its own. Taking me to the service center to pick up White Ghost. It's been fun while it lasted. But once again, like I stated in the other video, how many people that have an older car like my 2013, 190 some thousand miles, needed work done, that you can take it to the dealership and they'll provide you a loaner car as they working on your vehicle. You're not gonna, you can't beat that Tesla, for what it does. So, but I'll probably be right back when I make it there to the service center there. Just wanted to make this video right quick for relax and chill. I'll be back. Peace. Alrighty, making the turn right here, and we're here at the service center. Dropping the loaner off, getting smoke. White Ghost. Damn. Alrighty, so we here. I'm finna find a way to park. Where to park it at? Let's see. Demo drive, fleet parking only, demo drive. I'm gonna park it exactly where I picked it up at. So let's just say right here. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna do the auto park again. We're gonna choose that right here. We're gonna choose it right there. Watch this. Damn. Just like that. We here. I hate to let it go. This has been lovely. This has been a lovely vehicle. Haha. I'll be right back. Let me go handle the business. Alrighty here, so I'm on my way. Well, I'm here to pick up White Ghost from a expensive as repair. The high voltage battery went out on me after 193,000 miles. 2013. This is a P or P100D. Ooh, that's some bad damage there. But yeah, like I said, it went out on me at 193,000 miles roughly, 2013. So, you know, it is what it is. But I just nice color blue. I just it's the newer plaid, cream interior, cream and black. Oh yeah, looks nice. Rear diffuser. Nice color blue there. I like that front diffuser. It do look sick. It looks dope. Let's see what they did here. I see. I understand the assignment. But anyway, like I was saying, I'm here to pick up White Ghost, and I'm finna show you on the screen what it cost me to have the dang battery pack replaced. But I got a 4 years, 50,000 mile warranty on it, so which, you know, not bad. I checked out a couple other places, but they only offer like 90-day, 60-day warranty on it. And it was like 9,500 or so on different parts. But anyway, I was going for the warranty, man, because 4 years, 50,000 miles sound much better than 60 days. But they gave me a loaner plaid, which I love it, plaid X, which I love. I had a white one like that. But yeah, here we go. We got White Ghost ready to go. So I'm gonna show you a screen on what this cost me to get this bad boy replaced. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Got more to come. It's your boy EV Smoke. Stay tuned for more. Peace. Got a 85 upgraded to a 90 kilowatt. So we're on the way to the house now. Check out my other previous video to what led up to this, what got me over here, where I had to, you know, the situation where I got stranded. But it is what it is. And like I say, check out this screen right here, what it cost me. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Got more to come. All right, a quick demonstration here from the Tesla app. You know, you go in there and set your appointment, but I dropped it off. Sometimes they give a diagnosis on about what the problem is. They can remotely diagnose sometimes. So basically right here gave me an estimate on what I was looking at. Of course, I got a loaner. This is showing after drop off. So basically right here though, I'm going to show you right here. You just let me know the payment was complete. This is all afterwards. So I'm just trying to get you an idea of what the price was for the battery pack here for this car, which is $14,513. There's a couple other things that they did. Like I said, they upgraded it from an 85 to a 90 kilowatt battery pack, S2 to an S3 pack. With tax and all, I was looking at $15,668. $1,155 of that was just tax alone, but $15,668 is basically what I was looking at. So you ask yourself, by that being a 2013 with 193,000 miles, I think personally, you know, for that year and so, if it was like a Mercedes or any other, you know, luxury car, it would have been way more than that, you know, for a replacement motor and transmission and so on. It's just too much go wrong there. But hey, I'm still team EV all the way. I had to do what I had to do. Peace. All right, so I just picked up White Ghost. As you can see, a new battery pack in here. It was upgraded from an 85 kilowatt to I think a 90 kilowatt or so, 90, 95, whatever. But I don't know. It makes you feel like you got a new car. You might as well, because for what it costs, you know what I mean. But I mean, I'm not really tripping about it though, because I had some people like, man, you can go buy you another car, etc. for what you pay for the price of the battery pack. No, I don't think, not really. This car right here it got a lot of sentimental value to me, I must say. I remember I just bought, I got a story I'm gonna tell about that eventually on down the line when I bought this car right before COVID happened and so on, from a guy, Justin. But I love this P85 Plus, I can't lie. It was the last year they made the rear drives before they went all-wheel drives with the Model S platform. But like I say, hey, I had good charging habits, as I made several videos about that, what's the best thing to do when you're using supercharger and so on. You don't charge to 100% unless you're doing road trips and so on. But yeah, make it feel like a new car. I kind of hit it. Got a good response out of this bad boy though. But hey, it's part of the game, you know. But I'm still EV, baby. I don't think it's, you know, a lot of people don't keep vehicles that long anyway, you know. That's just one of them things. But as time gonna come, it's gonna start being more and more people out here to do repairs on these, just like your average car. But it ain't no different from when a motor go bad in a car and transmission, and you got to replace all that stuff at the same time. So what would it cost you for a Mercedes? Let's just use, for example, a Mercedes-Benz. Got the Hummer over there charging up, pretty dope. What would it cost you to charge up, to change a battery out of a Mercedes car if it was, you know, in this caliber? I'm pretty sure it's gonna be more than, you know, that with the price I just showed you there. But you know, it is what it is. I gotta go run to the house though. I gotta run down to Dallas, and I gotta run and drop my Dallas Fort Worth area. I gotta run and drop my trailer off for some custom work to get done to it, replacing that wood steps for metal for smoke. But yeah, I just want to share that part as well. But you know, I got them back. White goes back in the house, so I'm back in this. I missed it, I ain't gonna lie. So, but hey, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do, you know what I mean? I miss my baby here, I ain't gonna lie. I was driving my one of my wife's vehicles, which is a gas, of course, and then my truck and so on. And I ain't gonna lie, I don't miss going to them gas pumps, like for real. I don't miss it at all. You know, here I'm driving a regular car, thinking I got regen and stuff in it. I'm taking my foot off the gas. You know, I'm thinking that, you know, the car finna slow up like they do, you know, my electric car, but that ain't the case. You know, one pedal drive, you can't do your one pedal driving. You know what I mean? So, but it is what it is. But hey, check out the other video here, like I say, to lead it up to this here. And I got White Goes back here. Had a loaner. Love the X. Oh, that thing was nice. So I know what they do. They do that to get you the upgrade. If I could right now, I sure would do it right now. I just got other things going at the moment, you know. It is what it is. Hey, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We got more to come. Stay tuned. It's your boy EV Smoke ATX. Peace out. If I go get this thing washed. Tesla, you could at least detail, but I know they don't do that anymore, you know. But hey, the money I spent, I should have got it detailed. Yeah. Peace.
Like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell.